You're all doing some fantastic work. Let me just commend you for all the good work. I see so many reports, Kitla reports, which, and I see all of them, which people are doing some fabulous, innovative work. A lot of you have been very, very innovative, and that's all. And but having said that, and having congratulated you, because the only cure for COVID is social distancing. That is the only cure we have, and we strongly advise that Rotarian. એટલે હું હંમેશા કહું છું કે તમારી પહેલી જિમ્મેદારી છે કે પોતાને ખુશ રાખો, પોતાને સુરક્ષિત રાખો. સેકન્ડ જિમ્મેદારી પોતાના પરિવારને ખુશ રાખો ને પોતાના પરિવારને સુરક્ષિત રાખો. કારણ કે જે રોટેરિયન, જે વ્યક્તિ પોતાને ખુશ ન રાખી શકે, પોતાના પરિવારને ખુશ ન રાખી શકે, પોતાની પરિવારને સુરક્ષિત ન રાખી શકે, બીજા કોઈને ખુશ ને સુરક્ષિત નહીં રાખી શકે. So it's very important that you look after yourself in whatever you do. Whatever you do, please take the district administration into confidence. Do work along with the district administration. Do work along with other sanstha jo specialist hoy che har cheez ma. Generally, Akshay Patra is a specialist in food distribution. Partner with them. Partner with the Gurdwara. They are very good at distributing food. It is no point. There is no harm. Rotary alone cannot change the world. We need partners, and sometimes we don't need to be big brother every time. Sometimes you just augment other people's capabilities. It is very important. That's our job in the community, that we augment other people's capabilities. So agar Gurdwara acha kaam kar raha hai food distribution mein, just join them. That's okay. Help them do their job better. So whatever way, whatever method you want to do, that's up to you. I leave it to your choice. I leave it to your needs. I leave it to your own thought process. But whatever you do, be safe in what you do. Friends, ye kehte hue bas, then let me get back to be today. I think what my job, what I've been asked to talk is about how to engage youth in Rotary. You know, it's a question, a golden question is, are youths really engaged in Rotary? Kya hum youths ko engage karte hain Rotary mein? Is it something that we always do that, or we don't do that? Are we doing it regularly? So the golden question which I want to ask each one of you before I start, there are 3 questions I ask. What Rotary youth programs are there? Are you all aware of the Rotary youth programs? I will divide my talk into 3 parts. One is to let you know what Rotary youth programs are there. Second is, what is deterring the youth from joining Rotary? Kya rokte hain? Su roke che youth ne apna club ma join karwa mate? And how can we engage youth in Rotary family? Rotarian Rotary youths ne, how can we engage youths or Rotary youths itself into the Rotary family? So I'll engage it in 3 parts. So let me ask the first question. Our meeting ma, please raise your hand if you are under 40. 40 की उम्र ना कितना जन छे आ meeting में? Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 and 6. Okay, so approximately 6 to 7 out of 67. Okay, 67 log are there on this meeting, and there are only 6 people under 40. Now let me ask another, how many are under 35? Raise your hand. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many are under 30? Okay, now under 30, I don't see hardly any hand. 1 hand. That's it. Only 1 hand which is under 30.
Kamal bhai is a past DRR of Ruchi year.
Okay, how many under 25? So hardly, I think only maybe 1. Okay. Now, aaj to vidamna chhe. Prashant and Ruchi Jani, this is the Vidamna. You want to discuss programs of youth, you want to talk about bringing youth into the Rotary world, what are the opportunities for youth, and there are no youth in this meeting. बात ऊंची करोगे ना तो कुछ लोग सुनेंगे, आवाज ऊंची करके करोगे तो कुछ लोग सुनेंगे. मैं आवाज ऊंची करके बोल रहा हूं, सिर्फ 6 लोग सुन रहे हैं आज मेरे, लेकिन अगर बात ऊंची करके करोगे तो बहुत सारे लोग सुनेंगे. और बात ऊंची करने के लिए ये जरूरी है कि जो बात कर रहे हैं वो बात सुनने वाले हो. यहाँ there is no point in preaching to 70-year-old people and 60-year-old guy like me about what are the opportunities of youth in Rotary. What is the point? You should have had 40 youths here. Then it would have been exciting to tell them why they should be in Rotary. What are the opportunities for them? Do you understand, Prashant and Ruchi Jani, what I'm trying to tell you? सांप के सामने बीन बजाने के बराबर होता है. So this is the time. This is what I always want, that you should have had contractors in this meeting. Then
Tomorrow we will have, sir. Tomorrow they will join the Rotary.
Yes,
Rotary
yes, you should.
organization.
So that is very important. Along with the president and secretaries, you should have had 40 Rotractors. Then I would have made a bridge between the president, secretaries, and the Rotractors. That bridge was meant to be having there. वो bridge बनाना बहुत जरूरी है, और bridge बनाने के लिए दोनों साइड लोग होने चाहिए. अभी तो आप एक ही साइड वाले लोग हो, दूसरे साइड वाला लोग तो है ही नहीं, तो bridge बनेगा कैसे? How will you excite the youth to join Rotary when the youth are not there to listen to you? तो ये बहुत जरूरी होता है कि बात ऊंची करें. ठीक है, आवाज ऊंची नहीं करें, बात ऊंची करें. रोटेरियन नीड टू हैव, अपने बात में दम होनी चाहिए, तभी जाके लोग सुनेंगे. Having said that, now let me tell you, are you all aware of the Rotary youth programs? कि भाई Rotary के youth programs क्या हैं? So let me give you a quick synopsis. Rotary, I mean, how can you engage the youth into Rotary at different levels? बहुत सारे levels है. घણા levels છે જેમાં તમે Rotary ના youth ने or the youth who are not Rotarians, on how we involve the youth into Rotary so that they get excited about it. They understand Rotary. They want to join Rotary so that our organization becomes more energetic, more worthwhile, more meaningful, more relevant in the world. It is important कि आज के दुनिया में हर संस्था को relevant होना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर आप relevant नहीं रहोगे तो आप डायनासोर की तरह रहोगे. डायनासोर दुनिया के सबसे शक्तिशाली प्राणी था. वो सोचता था कि मेरे बिना तो सृष्टि चल ही नहीं सकती है, मेरे बिना दुनिया चल ही नहीं सकती है, और मैं हूं, वहीं से दुनिया शुरू होती है और वहीं दुनिया एंड होती. कुछ सालों के बाद और आज के दिन में एक भी डायनासोर नहीं है. Why? They have become extinct. Why? Because they refuse to change. उन्होंने बदलने की शक्ति ही नहीं रखी, बदलने की सोच ही नहीं रखी, और बदलने की इच्छा ही नहीं रखी, और बदलने की चाहत ही नहीं रखी, और ये सोच भी नहीं थी कि हमें बदलना चाहिए. एंड हमारी रोटरी भी ऐसी है. If we do not change, let me tell you friends, we will perish. There are no exception to the golden rule of Darwin that everything in this world has to change and adapt to change. And today is the exciting times of change where the younger ones are taking over the world. 10 years back, if you asked a bank manager what his age is, he would have said 55, 60. 15-20 साल नौकरी करने के बाद बैंक में आप बैंक मैनेजर बनते हो. So તમે यूको बैंक में जाओ, देना बैंक में जाओ, बरोडा बैंक में जाओ, આજે પણ તમે જાશો તો બધા बैंक मैनेजर હશે between the age of the 50 and 60. અને તમે એક્સિસ बैंक में જાશો, ICICI बैंक में જાશો, UTI बैंक में જાશો, Yes बैंक में જાશો, you'll see all the managers are below the age of 40. The world is changing rapidly. And you need to adapt, you need to change, otherwise we will perish like dinosaurs. इसलिए जरूरी है कि हम अपने आप को बदले. सो पहली चीज, किसी और को कहें कि हम बदलने के लिए, किसी और के अपॉर्चुनिटी, फर्स्ट चेंज योर माइंडसेट। हम हमेशा ये माइंडसेट में रहते हैं, अरे ये तो बच्चे हैं, आज बच्चे बाप बन गए हैं। What we could achieve in 40 years time, these kids are achieving it in 10 years time. Understand that their intelligence level, their knowledge, their expertise, the amount of knowledge available to them is far greater than what we had or what we have. So it's very important that you need to change. Change is the order of the day. Change is the only truth and the only constant in the world. इसलिए I always want, first let us think differently. Then only I can talk about youth programs to you. First you have to open yourself कि नहीं, youth are there and they are what the live wire is, and that is what is required in Rotary. So friends, first and foremost, like Gandhi ji said, be the change you want in the world. You want a world which is more productive, more meaningful, more young, more energetic, more colorful, with different hues of color. The change should start with us. अक्सर हम लोग से सुनते हैं कि I'll come back to the programs in 5 minutes time. I'm just doing the preamble. अक्सर लोग से पूछते, सर हमारा क्लब बहुत अच्छा है, हमारी चीजें बहुत अच्छी हैं. We do not want younger people. That's our culture. तो बच्चे क्यों पैदा करते हो भाई? तुम्हारे घर में तुम और मियाँ बीवी भी बड़े खुश थे, तो ये 8 बच्चा क्यों पैदा किए? आप 25 साल के थे, 20 साल के हो, 22 साल के हो, 40 साल के हो, तो बच्चे पैदा करना बंद कर दो. Why do you need kids in your house? As you need kids in your house, you need younger generation in your club. As a child satisfies you in your own house, brings you joy, brings you love, brings you emotions, makes you more energetic, your club also needs children. वही जरूरत है बच्चों को लाने की. The so-called बच्चे जो आज हमारे बाप बन गए हैं, that is what is required to bring into your club to energy. So get new people into it. Open out to them. And let me tell you something. My club, 10 years back, the average age in my club, because my average age in my club was 60 years of age. Today, the average age in my club is 35. We took a bet in my club. We have 60 members in my club, 65 to be precise. We took a bet when I became a governor in 2005 and 6. I said, no, we need to change this attitude in my club, otherwise we'll die out. There were years when nobody wanted to join my club. और कहते थे ये तो रोमियो क्लब है. तब किसी ने कहा कि रोमियो क्लब है, तो I was very happy. अरे यार हम लोग को रोमियो बोल रहे हैं. That is very nice. We must be some smart, energetic, handsome people कि लोग हमें रोमियो कह रहे हैं. फिर किसी एक औरत ने मुझे कहा कि बड़े खुश मत हो कमल. हम बोले क्यों, आप तो हमें रोमियो बुला रहे हो तो हम तो खुश तो होंगे ना. बोले नहीं, रोमियो का मतलब जानते हो? I said no ma'am, I don't know. मैं तो यही जानता है, रोमियो तो वो होता है जो स्मार्ट होता है, इंटेलिजेंट होता है, लड़कियां उसके ऊपर मरती है, उसको रोमियो बोलते हैं. तो बोलता है नहीं, रोटरी की पालेंस में रोमियो मतलब रिटायर्ड ओल्ड मैन ईटिंग आउट. So that was the definition my club had 10 years back. Retired old men eating out. You need to change this. You need to change the perception of people. ये बहुत जरूरी है कि आप क्या सोचते हैं वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. ये जरूरी है जानना कि लोग आपके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. Because when you know what people think about you, then only you can transform yourself into what you want others to think about you. So first you must understand what others think about you. Then only you can bring a transformation change. So let me come back to what are the youth programs. Kya program hai? Okay, let me do one more exercise before I move on to that. How many of you have children who are above 28 years of age? जिसके पास बच्चे जो 28 साल से ऊपर बड़े हैं, उसका या भाई बहन है जो 28 साल. Children or brother and sisters who are more than 28 years of age. Can you all raise your hand? So, Ruchir, can you count and tell me how many are there? How many have raised their hands? Just quick count. children above 28 years of age or brother and sister above 28 years of age. So I am seeing maybe 15-20 जन है यहाँ
About
पे,
10.
about 10 who have got 20 children who are 28 years of age and above, 28 साल से ऊपर. कुछ लोग I know have it but you are not raising your hand. So let us say करीबन 12-15 जन हैं. अब मुझे बताइए उस 12-15 लोग जिसों ने हाथ उठाया था, जिन्हें हाथ उपाड़ा था, જેના છોકરાઓ 28 વર્ષથી ઉપરની ઉંમરના છે, એમાંથી રોટેરિયન્સ કેટલા છે? So that's one. Okay, I'm only seeing one hand. એક જ એવો છે કે જેનો છોકરો યા દીકરો યા દીકરી યા ભાઈ બહેન 28 વર્ષથી ઉપરના છે ને એ રોટેરિયન છે. So I ask you a question. When you can't convince your own child to become a Rotarian, when you can't convince your own brother and sister to become a Rotarian, how can you convince somebody else's child to become a Rotarian? પોતાના દીકરા દીકરીને કન્વિન્સ નથી કરી શકતા અને તમે ચાહો છો કે બીજાના દીકરા દીકરી તમારા માટે કન્વિન્સ થઈ શકે and join Rotary at a young age. It's not possible. So I would want each one of you to go back into your house tomorrow and think loud. Should I not get my child into Rotary? Should I not get my sister into Rotary? Should I not get my brother into Rotary? And form new generation clubs. You don't need to bring them in your own club. Okay, your culture is very good. Tame 4 couple cho, 15 couple cho, you are having nice drinks, having nice fellowship. Go ahead. I am not stopping you. હું એ નથી કહેતો કે તમારા ક્લબમાં members ले आओ, young members. But what is stopping you from making a new generation club? What is stopping you from making a new generation club in your city? There are hundreds of Rotarians in your city. Why don't you form a new generation club of children of Rotarians? That should be easy because they have already attended Rotary meeting. They know the opportunity which are provided to them by Rotary because they've lived with you. So this is the first and foremost opportunity. We said, no, what is the opportunity of youth in Rotary? The first opportunity is bring your own new next generation into Rotary and then you will see how Rotary runs. So first and foremost opportunity. Second, 15 થી 18 વર્ષના છોકરાઓ અને છોકરીઓ માટે શું opportunity? What does Rotary provide them? What opportunity does Rotary give for children between 15 and 18? Youth exchange is the topmost opportunity which is provided by Rotary International, which is a life-changing experience. Many of you have hosted youth exchange students. Yes? Many of you have sent your child. I will share with you my younger son, Ravishu, is 22 years old. He is working for a Swiss bank. Can you imagine? This is what exactly I was trying to tell you. He has joined Swiss bank this year and his starting salary is 1.5 lakh rupees per month. I earned my first 1.5 lakh rupees per month when I was 43 years old. When I was 43 years old, પહેલા 1.5 લાખ રૂપિયા મહિનાના હું કમાડો જ્યારે હું 43 વર્ષનો હતો. And when I was in business for nearly about 15 years, 16 years. And today my son is joined and is already drawing that kind of salary working for Swiss bank. That's the level of intelligence. So when I sent him at a youth exchange student to South America, every time he would be a passive listener when he went to South America. South America ગયા એના પહેલા મેં એક છોકરાને મોકલ્યો હતો. 3 મહિના સાઉથ અમેરિકામાં youth exchange નો સ્ટુડન્ટ બનીને જ્યારે વાપસ આવ્યો, પાછો આવ્યો, he became a man. I sent a boy as a youth exchange. I got back as a man, as my son came back as a man who was talking differently. He was making his presence felt. He was discussing things with me. He was agreeing to disagree with me. He would not agree to me in a lot of issues, which was good because I wanted him to evolve in life. So the first opportunity is youth exchange. And you know what? One of the past president of Rotary International said this. If every child in this world gets an opportunity to be a youth exchange student, there would be no wars in the world. Because when you send a child, when I send my son to South America, પોતાના હૃદયનું થોડુંક અંશ સાઉથ અમેરિકામાં મૂકી આવ્યો એની ફેમિલીમાં ત્યાં, અને થોડુંક અંશ સાઉથ અમેરિકાનું પોતાના હૃદયમાં એ પાછો ઇન્ડિયા લઈ આવ્યો. So whenever I talk anything bad about South America, he's the first one who says, "No, Dad, you have misinformation. South America is a fantastic country." This is what Rotary Youth Exchange provides, and I would ask each one of you, send your child as a Rotary Youth Exchange student. Not only send them, if you have others in your family, in your friends, ask them to send your child as a Rotary Youth Exchange student. This is the first opportunity, 15 to 18. Second opportunity, 14 to 30 varas sudhi, which is much more bigger diaspora. What is the opportunity? How do you involve youth between 14 to 13 Rotary activities? And I know many of you are doing this. Yes. Let's hear that. Yes, Trushal, tell me. Trushal?
Yes,
Tell me.
Road track.
Road track. Okay, that is one option. Any other option? Anybody? Interact. Okay. anything else?
New generation program. New generation program.
Anything else?
Interact.
I'm asking for a specific program.
Raila.
Exactly.
Let's give a big hand to Dr. Uma Patel.
Raila, right.
So let's give a big hand to Dr. Uma Patel. She was the first one to say that. Yes, thank you, Dr. Uma.
Thank you.
Yes, Raila. Raila is the topmost opportunity for youth to engage youth into Rotary. You start it at school level. You can start it at college level. Railas are of different kind. You can have an international Raila. You can have a district Raila. You can have a club Raila. We in my club, every year we do a rural Raila. મારું ક્લબ એક રૂરલ રાયલા કરે છે, જેમાં અમે ગવર્મેન્ટ સ્કૂલ્સ ના જેટલા છોકરાઓ હે એના સાથે રાયલા કરીએ, or 2-day camp, make them stay overnight. બધાય ગવર્મેન્ટ ના છે. All are belonging to middle class and below. They don't have an opportunity. They don't go and then we bring them into a big, much better school and we do the raila overnight, campfires, programs, ask them to perform, do dramatics, give them the opportunity to get out of their shell. Because the government school does not have these activities. It's the private school which have these activities. So we have a rural raila with 60 children every year. Once we have had a rural raila of only girl children of 50 or 60 girl child. It was fantastic. When they come and perform, when they come and do their act, it is a totally a different ball game, and give them the opportunity to live their life. Give them the opportunity to come out of their shell. Give them the opportunity to be productive members of this society. Opportunity nahi diyo to ye agad kevi te avse. You know, I always believe it is the rich and the strong which look after the poor and the weak. It is our job to give opportunities so that the world becomes a better place and equilibrium. A society which is in equilibrium with each other. That is a progressive society. Jahan har chokra ne opportunity made to express him or herself. This opportunity is what is the job of Rotarians to create, and one of the biggest program and the best, my favorite program in Rotary for engaging youth is Raila. I have not seen a better program than this, where you can make them bring their hidden talents out, make them come into the mainstream, give them the opportunity to become leaders. Raila is what? Rotary Youth Leadership Award. Give them the opportunity to become leaders. एक बार दईने तो देखो, कोईक ने दईने तो जुओ, कोईक ने ये opportunity दईने तो जुओ. They will start running. You will not be able to hold them. they will be sprinting all over. So please, so realize that opportunity. Now let me ask you the other question. Between 12 and 18, someone, we now go back, someone said, 12 varas thi 18 varas na chokra chokriyo. What is the opportunity Rotary gives to them? You already, someone said interact.
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 Yes, interact. You know what? I challenge each one of you. Chalo ek challenge moklu chu tamara upar. Go and in the next, once this lockdown khatam thaye na, or Prashant,
Yes, sir.
do a Zoom meeting with the Interact members. This is what you governor should be doing, not only these Rotarians. આખો દિવસ રોટેરિયન ના માથા ન પકાવો, થોડુંક છોકરાઓને પણ mainstream માં લાવો. So do a Zoom meeting where you have a Zoom meeting with 50 Rotractors and 50 Rotarians, 100 of them on one Zoom meeting. Do a Zoom meeting with 50 Interactors and 50 Rotarians. Do together. Then you will see the energy. તમારું કમ્પ્યુટરની સ્ક્રીન સાહેબ ફાટી ન જાય તો મારું નામ બદલી નાખો. That will be the energy which will come in that Zoom meeting. Yes, fati jase, I'm telling you that. It will burst open with love, life, energy, pyar, mohabbat, ishq, sab ek hi jagah mein ho jayega. So do a meeting with the Interactors. Start them early. Give them the opportunity to do social service at the young age of 12. You know why we have got Interact? We do Interact so that we start this ethos of Rotary into a young child at a very young age. Location hai ki નાનપણથી શીખાડશો તો mold થઈ જશે. મોટાને શીખાડવું બહુ મુશ્કેલ છે, પણ નાનાને mold કરવું બહુ આસાન ચીજ છે. So નાનપણથી જ્યારે Interact બને તો you are molding them into the opportunity of service above self. Molding them to become leaders in the society, molding them to become productive members of the society. That is why Interact was made. So this is the opportunity which you are giving your young children. And so I would want every club, I think, you know what, if given to me, I would make it compulsory. I will not give the presidential citation to any club which does not have an Interact club. For me, that would be topmost priority to have an Interact club in every club. You know what? How much change you will bring in this world? હું નાનો હતો ને તો તમને નાનકડી ઇન્સિડન્સ કહું છું. હું નાનો હતો, 10-11 વર્ષનો હતો, મારા દાદાજી સાથે રોજ લંચ લેતો. Whenever I was at home, I was of course in a boarding school, studying in a boarding school, પણ હું boarding school થી જ્યારે છુટ્ટીઓ માટે ઘરે આવતો તો મારા દાદાજી સાથે lunch લેવું was fixed and dinner was with my father. That was fixed. It could not be changed. Okay. દાદાજી સાથે lunch લેતો ને તો જ્યારે જમવા બેસતા તો દાદાજી મારા હાથમાં 2 રોટલી દેતા ને કે જા બેટા કોઈ ગરીબ સાથે પેલા કોઈ ગરીબને ખવડાવી ના આવ પછી આપણે ખાશું. I was what? I was 12, 13, 14 years old. 2 રોટલીની કિંમત સિર્ફ 2 રૂપિયા હતી. 2 રોટલીથી કોઈની ભૂખે મિટવાની નહોતી. 2 રોટલીથી કઈ હું મોટું દાન એ નહોતો કરતો. My grandfather was not giving big dan, but you know what he was inculcating in me? By doing this, he was inculcating in me the habit of giving to somebody else. બીજાને દેવાની આદત મારામાં નાખી. Beta, you need to give before you do something. You have to learn to give to the community, society where you live. And that habit is what has lived with me in Rotary, and that is why I am a Rotarian. So these habits are created at the Interact level. When you have Interact, I invite the Interact club members to come to your regular club meeting. Make it. Call them. How many of you have called Interactors to your regular club meeting in the last 2 years? Raise your hands. You are all presidents. Raise your hands. Have you invited Interactors to your club meeting? I am sure no. Why? You know what? I challenge each of you, President, do a meeting next time and ask the Interactors to run that meeting. Have a dummy president, have a dummy secretary, have a dummy board, have a dummy speaker, and all by interactors, and all Rotaractors sit in the crowd and let them run the show. Have a parliament in your Rotary meetings. This is the opportunity. Have a parliament. Have question answer sessions where the interactors are asking you questions. And let them ask a question. Let them answer the questions. You will feel so excited, and these are the opportunities which you give. They will do small projects, but they are meaningful projects which turn and mold their lives. जी ये लोग को आजे कर से as a 12-year-old or an 18-year-old child, it lives with them all their life. So that is the molding factor. So now let me come back to the next program. 18 to 30 years of age. Which is the program? Okay, I see Trushal most happy. He's raised it. Trushal, raise both your hands. Yes. Yeah. Now you see, I've been speaking for 20 minutes. खुशी कोई ना चेहरा ऊपर नोती अत्यारे त्रुषाल नु मोडू जोता
There is a two past DRR in our group.
Who are the other one?
Yeah, myself Viral Gondalia, DRR 2016-17. Nice to meet you, Kamal bhai.
Ah, Vinay, केम छो?
Bas fine,
मजामा?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Myself,
जरा
Vaibhav,
ठीक थी smile कर यार विराल.
Yes, sir.
That's it. So look at their smile. Their smile is infectious. You know, as COVID is infectious, Rotaractors' smile and energy is also infectious on Rotarians. So do that. Bring 18 to 30 years are the most formative years of any person in the world. Kechi dunya ma sauthi most formative years for any individual who is growing into an adolescent and into an adult is the 18 to 30 years of age. Now, why Rotaractors? Rotaractors because Rotaractors are Rotarians in action. Rotaractors is the short form of Rotarians in action. They will dictate what Rotary is going to be in the next 15 years. They are going to lead us. I will tell you what, at least 30% of the governors are Rotaractors or were Rotaractors before or were DRRs. At least current in this batch of governors elect, in this Prashant's batch and in batch of Anish, 30% are Rotaractors. So, what is a good thing? A good धंधा वारो मानस शू करे? जारे जाने छे कि 30% of Rotaractors are going to become governors. तेमा investment करू जोइए कि ना करू जोइए? Basic sense. आपने तो गुजराती छे भाई, आपने तो वाणिया छे, आपने तो धंधादार मानस. गुजराती नो डेफिनेशन શું છે ખબર છે? મારવાડી થી ખરીદીને સિંધી ને વેચી નાખી ઈ ગુજરાતી. મારવાડી થી ખરીદી અને સિંધી ને વેચી અને એમાંય પ્રોફિટ લઈ આવે ઈ ગુજરાતી. ઠીક है? તો આપણે તો ગુજરાતી છીએ તો we should invest in our community. We should invest in Rotaractors કારણ કે જ્યારે આપણે 60 વર્ષના હસુ ત્યારે they will be the club president. So your club's health, your club's, whole euphoria of your club is based on a Rotaractor. He આજના વડાપ્રધાન છે. Wake up to the story. Rotaractors આજના નરેન્દ્ર મોદી છે. Wake up to the story. And you have to invest on them. It is your job. As a Rotarian, it is your job. अगर नहीं invest करो सरखी रीते, तो let me tell you, बेघर થઈ જાશો. જ્યાં સુધી 60-70 ના વર્ષો ત્યાં સુધી બેઘર થઈ જાશો. બોલાવશે પણ નહીં આપને લોકોને ક્લબ મીટિંગ. So that bridge which I was talking about, that bridge has to be there between the Rotaractor and a Rotarian, and this is the golden opportunity. So make Rotaractors into Rotarians. It is the right time. Once they cross, of course, now the new rule is Rotaractor ni koi age limit nathi. So we are asking Rotaractors themselves to decide ke potani club age limit tame karo. So you might find a Rotaractor who is still 45 years old 15 years down the line. Haji Rotaractors છે. કારણ કે દિલ જવાન છે. ઘણા લોકો એમ કે ને અભી તો હમ જવાન हैं. They still want to be Rotaractors, which is okay. Which is okay. You know what? Let me ask you a story. दुनिया में એક મા બાપને સૌથી વધારે ખુશી ક્યારે મળે? જ્યારે એ ઘરમાં હોય. What is the time when he gets the maximum joy? Anybody? ઘરમાં એક મા બાપને સૌથી વધારે ખુશી ક્યારે મળે?
When child is at home.
When child is at home, and specifically ખુશી બી અલગ અલગ હોય. નાનો બાળક હોય એની ખુશી અલગ હોય, સ્કૂલ ગોઈંગ ચાઇલ્ડ હોય એની ખુશી અલગ હોય, કોલેજ થી છોકરો જ્યારે હોસ્ટેલ થી પાછે આવે ઘરે, અત્યારે કોવિડ ના ટાઈમમાં lot of you have your children at home. My son is at home. I tell you, it is the best time of my life, because he fights with me, he quarrels with me, he debates with me, he argues with me, and he loves me like crazy. So this is all the joy which you get from a road tractor aged son. So this is the time when you mold them into getting out into the world. You are making them ready to face the world, which is a very difficult place to survive in. दुनिया बहुत कठिन जगह है to survive, and this is the time when you mold a road tractor to face the world, become more sensitive, become more compassionate, become more open to other people's thought process. People not be negligent to other people's difficulties. This is the time. This is the time when a road tractor, a child between the age of 18 and 30 has to be sensitized for everything. He has to be. And he has to be sensitized to the one mool mantra of Rotary: service above self. Mankind is our business. आज उम्र में तमे એને inculcate કરી શકશો these two values which every Rotarian lives by. And that's why have a road track club. Involve them in your club meetings. Involve them in your club projects. Call them. Call them. Whenever you do a project, give it management to them. Let me tell you, you are living in a myth when you think, haji to chokrao che, badak che, loko su karse. General statement the Rotarians make, ye to haji badak che. Let me tell you, they do a better job than all of us put together. Let me tell you that. They will do a better job. So involve them in your club project. Road tractors, interactors, this is the opportunity. Now coming youth up to 30 years old. What are the youths 30 and slightly higher than that? Is the newer generation group. Service exchange. Involve them in the service project. They are the alumni. Road track alumni, interact alumni, youth change alumni. They may not be in either of road track or interact, but they become alumni of your program. Bring them back in. Chetla youth exchange chokrao gaya che, have a record. Moment you see what age they are, bring them back into the different programs of yours. So this is the opportunity of engaging youth into your organization. You know, I'll just share some small 1 or 2 statistics. Only 5% of Rotary is from new generation. Akha Vishwama, Rotary ma new generation, khali 5%. How do you want an organization to be relevant? Jena Vada Pradhan, sirf 5% hai. People who form or are going to lead the world, only 5% of them are members of Rotary. How do you expect our organization to get that width, get that strength, when we don't recognize them? We don't give them opportunities. So please wake up to the story. Let me share one more thing. Over 1,000 road track alumni become members of Rotary. Only 1,000. Khali 1000. I to feel તમારા district માંથી ખાલી 1000 થઈ જવા જોઈએ who should turn into Rotarians. If you give them proper opportunity, now it is so easy that road tractors, road track club can convert into a Rotary club in one shot. They don't even need a sponsor club. Existing road track club can turn into becoming a Rotary club just like that. Number 1. Number 2, every road tractor can have dual membership. He can be a road tractor, jaine youngness made, and he can get into Rotary where he gets the opportunity of interacting with people and get himself seasoned. So he gets the opportunity, both the opportunity. One, play football with his own people and do business with the elder law. Both the opportunities are open to you. Enjoy both. Sanjna, પોતાના ભાઈ બહેન સાથે રમો ફૂટબોલ, દિવસના મા બાપ સાથે કરો business. That's the opportunity. So these are the two opportunities. Involve them. Let me come back. Only 10% of Rotarians in the world are under 40. Only 10%. Now Dr. Uma Patel is here. I ask her a question. Come here, Dr. Uma Patel, you go into an hospital where all doctors are above 60. If there are 100 doctors, all 100 doctors are above 60 and only 10 doctors are below 40, will you get patients in that hospital?
No, actually we need a mix of both.
Yes, mix of both. That is exactly what I want. You need experience, you need knowledge on one side, but you need newer ideas, people who are willing to do more technology based, people who adopt new technologies to do surgeries, people who are willing to do robotic surgeries, people who are willing to do different types of surgeries. Along with that, Uma Patel is there who gives them the necessary experience, and then they amalgamate together, and then the hospital becomes a fantastic facility where the old meets the new, where the new learns from the old, where the old teach the young. This is the facility which we want. This is the Rotary we want now, friends, where both live in uniformity and we both learn. કછુઆ અને ખરગોશની સ્ટોરી સાંભળી છે ને તમે લોકો? કછવો પેલો દોડે છે, ખરગોશ સુઈ જાય છે, કછવો જીતી જાય છે, પછી ખરગોશ દોડે છે, ખરગોશ જીતી જાય છે, પછી પાછો એકદમ દોડે છે ને. But you know what is the new story? The new story is both run the race now. Jare dry land che, ત્યારે ખરગોશ tells the kachua, go on my back and I'll run it. Okay. Generally jare ખરગોશ રમે છે તો એ કછુઓ દોડે છે તો એ 30 સેકન્ડમાં રેસ જીતી જાય છે. But both of them are not improving themselves. But what the new story is that the rabbit tells the kachua, come onto my back when we are on the ground. And the kachua tells the rabbit, come on my back when we are in water. Together they run the race with both their expertise and they will win it in record time. That is the new story. And for that, we need the young and the rabbits are the young people, the kachuas are the old Rotarians. But both need to run together to make our organization more relevant. So please get. Why are we having Rotarians only 10% under 40? The answer is very simple. Friends, you don't give them opportunities. એક જ છે. Fish ગણી આ લોકો જ છે. Everyone is wanting the same fish. Lions પણ છે, Rotary પણ છે, Kionis પણ છે. Everyone wants new members. That we are all machuaras and the fish is our younger generation. If we don't catch them in time, they will go into some other organization where they feel more welcome, where they feel more excited, where they feel that money. And you know, today's younger generation only asks two questions. What is it that I get from Rotary for the time I spend in Rotary? Number one. Number two, what will I get from Rotary for the money I spent in Rotary? Both reasons why, I'll tell you. Time is extremely expensive for a younger generation because he's on a fast pace. He's on a much speeding movement. And money, because they have to build their futures. For them, every money, every dime counts. They have to build their house. They have to build their future. They have young children. They have to look after the children's education. So for them, everything is based and they have to have productive value to everything. So that is why we are not getting over 40. And friends, what I want you to first think is ask yourself, You ask yourself whether, અને ઘણી વાર છે ને અમે આવીએ છીએ, મારો દીકરો જ કહે છે કે dad, when I have an argument with him, the first thing my son tells me, both my sons, one is 28 years old, one is 21 years old, both tell me, dad, you don't know anything. Pello question, dad, you don't know anything, તમે એકદમ prehistoric છો. Why? Because I am not technologically savvy. If you want to excite the younger generation, you should learn to use Zoom. You should learn to use earpods. You should learn to dance. હવે disco dance નહીં આવે તો છોકરાઓ સાથે બેસી જ કેવી રીતે શકશું? So you have to speak their language. You know, you have to do that. ગરબામાં જાઓ તો the younger generation are less interested in doing garba. They are more interested in looking at girls. So that's okay. Fair enough. We want to do more. પ્રશાંત ને તો છે ને opportunity મળવી જોઈએ. ઓલી આપણી ગુજરાતી એક સિરિયલ છે ને જેમાં ગરબા જેવું મ્યુઝિક સ્ટાર્ટ થાય ને સિરિયલ શરૂ થાય, અમારો પ્રશાંત એવો જ છે. હજી તો મ્યુઝિક શરૂ ના થાય and he starts the garba. He is the dancing governor of your district. Okay, so Prashant, thank you very much for giving that energy into your district. Yes, you need to dance. The golden rule is dance like nobody is watching you. So thank you, Prashant, for bringing that energy. And friends, so last, not the least, I would want each one of you bridge the age gap. Bridge the age gap, then only you will become relevant. Bridge the generation gap, then only Rotary will become relevant. Give opportunities to your children and to the younger generation, and then you will see how fast your club is running. How fast. You know what? In my board today, in my Rotary Club of Dhanbad's board, I'll tell you what, we have 4 past governors in my club. 3 past governors and 1 governor. One is Prashant's batchmate, Rajan. He is the governor-elect from my club. 4 of us there. Big guys, big daddies. We sit on the last row in my club meeting. I've made it a rule that we 4 will sit on the last row. Agadna Roma Besujni. Number 1. Number 2, whenever my club is hosting a event, it is compulsory for all 4 of us to be sergeant at arms. It is compulsory. All 3 PDGs, even as a director, I be a sergeant at arms in my own club. That is the space you need to give to the other people. And you come to my club meeting, you will see how fast they are running. And it is a pleasure to go to the club meeting where the younger generation are looking after the elder and at the same time bringing in the new colors, new hues, new life, new energy into the club. And that only makes Rotary relevant. Thank you very much, friends. If you have any questions, I'm willing to answer them. Anything which you want to do, please. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kamalji. Viral Gondela is a PDR and we appoint as a district chair for same purpose, Rotractors into Rotary.
Fantastic. So Viral છે અહીંયા?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. I am
Yes,
here,
sir.
sir. Yeah.
Viral, target શું છે?
Ah,
How many Rotractors into Rotarian? Zoom ચાલે છે અત્યારે.
yes,
This
yes.
is the golden opportunity. બધા એમને બેઠા છે ઘરે. Turn. I'll give you a target. Next 30 days, 50 Rotractors into Rotarians.
Yes, sir.
Let's see how good you are at it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Report back to me after 30 days. How many have you turned into Rotarians? Okay. Or
Yes.
how many of you, how many Rotractors you have made, told them to be Rotractors and Rotarians together. Okay.
Yes, sir. For that, I need your one suggestion, sir.
Tell me.
या सर अभी आपको पता है कि रोटरी का जो नया गाइडलाइंस आया 18 and above age they can be in a Rotract, right? So this is very difficult and this is very challenge for us to ask them to come to the Rotary. So what we can ask and encourage them
और
to
बोला ना आपको हिरल कि शाम को जाओ डिस्को करो, सुबह आके हम लोग के साथ धंधा करो.
okay sir, okay,
दोनों चीज करने देंगे, एक चीज पे नहीं रखेंगे आपको. ठीक है?
okay sir. So we can encourage them to join as a dual
Yes,
member.
encourage them. I am sure they will be. I am
Yes, sir.
sure.
Any questions? Friend, questions? Raise your hand. Yeah, Abhijit, please
Yes.
go ahead.
Yes, sir. I'm Abhijit. I'm an ex-Rotractor of 3 to
32
3240.
from
Bardhaman.
okay, from Bardhaman, next to me. Okay, Bolun.
Yes.
Bolun, Abhijit, Bolun.
Thank you. And 2013, I got the opportunity of home hospitality at Anham,
Okay.
Amsterdam. So that time, मैं उधर पे PRID Paul Canife के उधर पे रहा था.
Okay.
And Preet Bacillus also hosted me at Anham.
Okay.
That time. So how the Rotary and Rotaract during our club meeting, Rotaract meeting, usually senior members used to come and sit the back row and कैसे हम लोग meeting organize कर रहे हैं वो चीज देखते थे and every time करना नहीं है ये कर लीजिए, this is the meeting protocol, and every time they are nourishing. That's why we have learned.
Hello, very nice, good. So share this experience with your people here. Okay.
Yes,
All right.
sir.
And you know, and one thing I wanted to tell you, give leadership. यहाँ बार फेल करें ना, एक बार चीजें सही नहीं होगी, अब नहीं चला रहे हैं कि एक्सपेरिमेंट फेल हो जाएगा, सब कुछ बर्स्ट हो जाएगा. We are in the business of bringing smile. Give them opportunities. एक आध बार सही नहीं करेंगे तो दूसरी बार सही करेंगे. We are not going to lose out on anything in life.
Yes.
Okay, so that's a give them leadership opportunities.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Anybody else?
Nishit Shah. Nishit.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning.
Nishit Shah from Rotary Club of Jamnagar.
All right. Nishit, tell
सर
me.
अभी आपने जैसे बताया कि बच्चे लोग को लीडरशिप देना चाहिए, तो हम लोगों ने ये साल पे अनीश सर का जब भी ओसीवी था तो पूरा ओसीवी हमारे क्लब के जो भी बच्चे लोग हैं उन्होंने पूरा का पूरा हैंडल किया हुआ था और दैट वाज रियली अ फैंटास्टिक जॉब दे हैव डन.
So Nishit, have you shared this story with your Rotarians other than your club?
No sir, but our club.
Oh, now do you understand what the problem is?
Yes sir, got it.
यही प्रॉब्लम है कि हम अपनी स्टोरियां अपने दोस्तों को भी नहीं
जी
बताते.
सर.
दूसरों को तो दूर की
सर
बात
बट
है.
आवर
आप अपना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करें. Write a small article and send it to Prashant. He will print it in the
sure
GM.
sir. Thank you so much.
Manisha. Manisha.
Hello, good afternoon, sir. Just wanted to add to
afternoon,
Dr.
Manisha.
Abhijit that from last 2 years, my club, Rotary Baroda Metro, we are interacting equivalently with the youth service, and the president or the president-elect is present, guiding and molding, trying to mold and encourage our Rotractors to participate in various Rotary-sponsored programs. And we are also nurturing 3 interact clubs, 1 early act club. I think we were the first in the district to start an early act club and a Rotaract. And we asked them, or I think in a year, there has been a practice from long time, sir, that at least minimum 4 to 5 meetings, we have the presidents of Interacts, Rotaract, and the mentors, the school mentors, to be present with us in the meetings.
Fantastic. Thank you, Manisha, for sharing this. I want each one of you now to turn the screen and see Viral Gondalia. Just see his face. Doesn't he look like Shah Rukh Khan? Imagine the energy he's brought to this Zoom. Just all of you look at him.
Yes.
And then look at yourself. He's got these fancy contraptions all over the face. He's got these fancy eyeglasses. Look at his smile. Imagine if 50% of your club members were looking like this, you would be rocking club, yeah? Okay.
Rizwana.
Hello, good morning, sir. I appreciate आपकी जो the thought process that you've said, but as personally as a mom and as of course a Rotarian, to my daughter Zunaira Zamina when she was the president of her Interact Club. They had single-handedly, I mean, I wouldn't say Rotary who had done along with them, but single-handedly the Interactors had done mega projects starting with zero financing. उन लोग स्कूल से आके ट्यूशन से जाके उसके बाद में इसका बैग्स वैग्स रख के स्पॉन्सरशिप ढूंढते थे बाइक्स पे जाके एक एक स्टोर्स पे and then they've done pioneered big mega projects in our club, the Interactors. They just need an opportunity. You've got to trust them. Yes, you can do it, and then they do it. So that's really nice. I mean, everyone should give them opportunities.
So Rizwana, let me add to what you are saying. Thank you so much for sharing this story. बैग स्कूल से आते थे, बैग छोड़ के चले जाते थे, स्पॉन्सरशिप खोजते थे और अपना प्रोजेक्ट खुद कर लेते थे. That is exactly what you are telling me.
Yes.
Yes, Rizwana.
Yes.
अब काउंटर पार्ट सोचिए, जब हम बोलते हैं कि कम से कम 1000 रुपया कोविड फंड में दीजिए, एवरी रोटेरियन शुड गिव 1000 रुपीज टू द कोविड प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स फंड, क्योंकि उससे आप अपनी सेफ्टी खरीद रहे हो, अपने बच्चे की सेफ्टी खरीद रहे हो, अपने माँ बाप की सेफ्टी खरीद रहे हो, फिर भी लोग भेजते नहीं है पैसा. फिर भी 4 बार मिन्नतें करनी पड़ती है और फिर भी सिर्फ 1000 रुपया, इस 1000 रुपया से आप अपने पूरे परिवार को सुरक्षित रखते. उतना ही हम चाहते हैं कि हम अपने प्राइम मिनिस्टर और अपनी गवर्नमेंट का हाथ मजबूत करें इतने बुरे वक्त में, और फिर भी 4 बार मिन्नत करनी पड़ती है. और यहाँ रिजवाना कह रही है कि मेरा बच्चा है, इंटरैक्टर है, उसको कहना भी नहीं पड़ता है, बोलना पड़ता है, बेटा कम से कम खाना खा के जा, फिर जाना. तो बिना खाना खाए बैग छोड़ के भागती है पैसे इकट्ठा करने के लिए, अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स को कंप्लीट करने के लिए. What type of members do you want? Do you want a member like Rizwana's daughter or son? You want a member like that interactor who's willing to leave the bag, run, collect money, execute the project? Or do you want people who even want the other one which I'm talking about? Choice is all yours. Exactly what I'm trying to tell you. अगर रिजवाना की जैसी 100 बच्चे अगर हमारे रोटरी क्लब में आ जाएं, हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में आ जाएं, let me tell you, our district, our clubs, our Rotary will have a sea change in its attitude and in the thoughts. I don't need to say anything more. रिजवाना की बच्ची आप सब की बच्ची है, आपके घर के बगल में ही रहती है, मेरे घर में नहीं रहती है. मैं धनबाद की बच्ची की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं, मैं आपके डिस्ट्रिक्ट की बच्ची की बात कर रहा हूं. रिजवाना भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट की बच्चियों की बात कर रहे हैं. Not only her daughter, what she's trying to talk about all the interactors. So this is why we need to nurture them and give them opportunity at a young age, not for their, अरे यार कम से कम become selfish in life. उसके फ्यूचर में ना सही, कम से कम अपने फ्यूचर की तो सोचो. वो तो अपना काम कर लेंगे. They are intelligent, they are smart, they are absolutely go-getters. They will find their way in the world. हम क्या करेंगे? हम तो वहीं रह जाएंगे. तो हमें अपना फ्यूचर सुरक्षित करना है, हमें अपने क्लब को बरकरार रखना है. We want to make our club last forever. For our own safety, do this at least. If not for their safety, for your own selfish need, we need to have these children into our Rotary fraternity in any form. Thank you very much, Rizwana.
Viral Gondalia, last question, Viral Gondalia.
Yes.
Okay, I hope we have not overshot. Prakash, Prashant, we can end the meeting anytime now. Okay.
No. Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Please, Viral.
हाँ, कमल भाई,
हम लोग डायरेक्टर लोग हैं ना, डायरेक्टर को प्रशांत काम धंधा होता नहीं है, ऐसे ही बैठे रहते हैं. तो आप बोलते रहेंगे तो हम लोग बोलते ही रहेंगे.
अच्छा हुआ आपने 1 घंटा निकाला. अच्छा, वो 1 घंटा लेने में कितनी मेहनत पड़ी है वो मेरे को पता है. Please, Viral.
Yes, Kamal bhai, I want to share my story and something share with you. कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सॉरी कि आज हमारा पीडीआरआर मीट था 11 बजे, तो मैं लेट ज्वाइन करवाया. और जब ज्वाइन किया तब आप कुछ बात कर रहे थे कि कितने रोटेरियन के सन या डॉटर है जो रोटरी के अंदर है. तो आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर माय स्टोरी कि माय होल फैमिली इन रोटरी. मेरे मम्मी पापा 1998 से रोटेरियन है और मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम एनजी में 2010 में गया था। उसके बाद मैंने आके मेरे डैड को बोला कि मुझे रोटरेक्ट क्लब स्टार्ट करना है। आफ्टर इन 2012 मी एंड माय एल्डर ब्रदर joined Rotrect and start new Rotrect club. And after 2017 I joined Rotary along with my elder brother. Now we both are in the Rotary, our mother and father in Rotary, and very soon my wife and all my family members joined my Rotary club, right? सेकंड थिंग मैं ये सर आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि काफी कोई रोटेरियन इधर है जो आपके क्वेश्चन किया, वही पॉइंट पे मैं आना चाहता हूँ कि काफी कोई रोटेरियन है जो रायला उनके सन या डॉटर रायला और एक्सचेंज में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, लेकिन वो लोग इंटरेक्ट में ना ज्वाइंट होते हैं, ना ही वो लोग रोटरेक्ट के अंदर पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। तो वो सब चीज करना चाहिए, जिसकी वजह से हमारे रोटरी या तो हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को या तो हम वर्ल्ड को जो पीस के बारे में बात करते हैं उसके ऊपर हम स्ट्रांगली आगे जा सकते हैं। तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ आपकी ओर से सब लोग को, आप एंकरेज करिए कि इंटरेक्ट ज्वाइन करें और मैक्सिमम कम्युनिटी बेस्ड इंटरेक्ट क्लब स्टार्ट करें। क्या होता है कि स्कूल बेस्ड इंटरेक्ट क्लब इवनिंग के टाइम पे रोटरी की मीटिंग ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकते, उनका एक लिमिटेशन रहता है। तो वी कैन ऑलवेज एंकरेज देम टू स्टार्ट कम्युनिटी बेस्ड इंटरेक्ट क्लब, राइट? तो हम ये भी कर सकते हैं। और रोटरेक्ट तो बहुत ही अच्छा कर रहा है सर, आपने बहुत ही अच्छा एंकरेजमेंट भी दिया कि हम मेनी रोटरेक्टर्स को रोटरी ज्वाइन करने का ड्यूअल मेंबरशिप की ओर से ज्वाइन करने को एंकरेज भी कर सकते हैं सर।
Fantastic, thank you so much.
Yeah, Manisha, you have a question? Manisha? Yeah, please.
I just wanted to know your view, how many institutionalized Rotractors compared to community-based Rotractors have joined Rotary, or can I...
Oh, Manisha, this is a tough question. Thank you for asking. It's a very relevant question. I wouldn't have the figures. I'm sorry, I wouldn't have, but I understand that institutionalized and community-based Rotractors vary from country to country. In some countries, institutionalized are more and community are less. In some countries, community are more and institution are less. The transition which you are asking, I don't think so. I have the figures, but what I know is nearly 1,000 Rotractors move into Rotary. So out of that, how many are institutionalized, how many are community? I doubt. I would not know that. Maybe I can find it out for you if I get the figures. If they are so important to you, I'll find it out.
Thank you. No, sir, that might help us to focus in an area, at least get those who are ready for us to, to encourage them
Fantastic.
To join Rotary.
It's a good question. It's a good question. I don't have the answer, but I'll get the answer.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Manisha.